You think we're gonna win everything if Mbappé comes?
Yes, for sure.
Mbappé es un buen jugador, pero en Francia. Tenemos que verlo aquí en Madrid. S'il veut gagner des titres et puis avoir un ballon d'or, il faut qu'il vienne au Real Madrid.
Bienvenidos a la ciudad de Madrid. That's right, Houston. We have landed in the Spanish version of New York City. And my friends, we are here to stay. We are here to stay to give you the local fan perspective, the local fan experience. And I can't wait. I cannot wait for the season to start so that we can start posting videos of games and vlogs. And we got a lot coming for you. Let me show you what the balcony looks like. All the way down there, I don't think you can tell. I don't think it's gonna focus. But all the way down there is La Gran Via, which is the Spanish version of Times Square. Pretty dope. We're actually in a really good location, very central in the city of Madrid. I actually had this plan to film a whole vlog of me packing up, getting on the flight, landing here, you know, all the traditional vlogging stuff. But in transition of everything, I was unable to do it because, well, I forgot. There's a lot of things that I had to do before I left Miami. There's a lot of things that I've had to do since I landed here in Madrid. I've actually been in Madrid here for a whole week now. This place is amazing, but I've been working a lot so I can give you guys a good amount of content by the time that we launch. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna give you a little vlog. I'm gonna give you a tour of the apartment. And we're gonna walk out, give you a bit of an idea of where I am staying in the city. Because like I said, we are right next to Gran Via. We are in a perfect zone in Madrid. We are very central. This place is awesome, so I can't wait to show you guys where I am at right now. And after that, we're gonna go to el Estadio Santiago Bernabéu because a certain someone might be coming to town soon. We're gonna be asking fans about this certain someone. We're gonna see what their opinions are. I'm gonna show you a little bit what the stadium is looking like right now in terms of construction, because the new Estadio Santiago Bernabéu is gonna be inaugurated in December of this very year. And you know, right now they're going through constructions, renovations. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of an update onto how that's going. And yeah, all the good stuff. This is gonna be the first of many vlogs in this beautiful city. Let's go. Now I am gonna give you the whole apartment tour based off of the front entrance because I feel like it's wrong to do otherwise. This is the front door. Open it up. A big hallway down the hall. That is my room down there. But let's go to the right first because there's not much to see here. This is the kitchen. Nothing special, but you know, everything that you need is here. This is where the bathroom is. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Now let me show you my room. This is my room. Juice road. Juice is always with me. This is my closet. Huh. Wonder who that is. Now let me show you the living room. Love the natural light. I need the natural light. Now let me show you what the balcony looks like. Now you've already seen a little bit of it. And yeah, let's explore a little bit. Let's show you what my hood looks like. Now, in the summers, Madrid gets super hot, so I need to change out of this hoodie, which is not really a hoodie because it's a cut sleeve. But even though it's cut sleeves, let me tell you, it's really hot outside. So I'm gonna change real quick before we head out because I also do want to go to the Bernabeu and I want to look the part. Alright fam, we are ready to go. Alright, here's the play. We're gonna go to Gran Via first. Then we're gonna make our way to Sol. Then we're gonna walk down to Plaza Mayor. And then we're gonna get in the metro and we're gonna make our way to the temple of football, el Estadio Santiago Bernabéu. And hopefully we talk to some fans on the way. We'll see.
Fred, my Kylian, man will be fucking down for that, bro. Just let me know the time. Eventually today at work, they were on to man, they were like, oh. I'm looking at them motherfuckers like, blood, you know what man's doing, man's with the man, them. So they already know.
Alright, let's go to Sol.
How to say just how I feel, just how I feel, just how I feel.
All right, we're gonna go back to Sol because I'm pretty sure it's the closest metro station. I could be wrong, I did just get here, but we are literally like 2 minutes away. So we're gonna take the metro and head to El Templo del Fútbol, el Estadio Santiago Bernabéu. I haven't been yet. I got here a week ago, been here for a whole week, and I haven't had the chance to go yet. So I'm super excited. So I actually went home to grab my book bag because I figured I might as well grab the camera. I also forgot my Metro card. By the way, Metro cards here in Madrid, at least for my age, 24, it is about €8 for the whole month. We're about to get on the Metro and head to El Templo. See ya. I'm so excited. Every time I'm here, I'm like a child at Disneyland.
I don't know how I feel.
I don't know what those things are for. Maybe like apartments for the construction workers? That'd be pretty sick. Now we are pulling up to La Plaza de los Sagrados Corazones. Now, back when Ramos was captain of Real Madrid, he used to tweet out at the fans telling them to all meet at this very spot. And you see down there is where the bus comes from. And this is the Plaza de los Sagrados Corazones. Now, once that construction clears up, it's gonna be awesome. But look at how beautiful the stadium looks right now. We're gonna go to the shop. I'm gonna ask one of the workers what it takes to get a ticket for the Mbappe presentation. Because there's rumors that it's not gonna be in the stadium because of construction. It might be at the Cibeles, but I still wanna ask just to mess around with them. Look at this beauty. Para conseguir tiquetes para la presentación de Mbappé.
Primero tienen que ficharle y aquí no gestionamos. Cerca de la oficina del Real Madrid que se veía saliendo de la tienda, a la derecha, cruzar la calle y luego a la izquierda donde el banco central.
Okay, so they said that if the signing were to happen, hypothetically speaking, you would be able to get tickets at a store that's not connected to the Bernabeu because, you know, construction is changing everything. The shop was a little underwhelming, at least from what I remember it to be, but again, everything's under construction. There's a lot of changes going on right now, so a lot of that is going to change once the stadium is nice and done. Right now we're going to go to this store that they talked about, and I'm going to ask the same question, see what they answer. Te tengo una pregunta. Para la presentación de Mbappé, ¿cómo se consigue tiquetes?
¿Quieres que te conteste? Sé lo mismo que tú. Igual
Que
tú
viene.
sabes más que yo.
Pero hipotéticamente, ¿cómo se conseguiría tiquetes? ¿No sabes? Ni idea. It means, listen, we got a little bit unlucky because my phone died, and the lavalier mics that I've been using so far to film interviews and videos, they turned out to be really poor quality. Every time that I film with them, there's a really high-pitched noise in the background. So the only way for me to really record fan responses properly without the, you know, noise of construction in the background, because that's what the Bernabeu is like right now. There's a lot of construction noise. Is with my phone, and since my phone died, I decided to call it for a day. Tomorrow, though, we're gonna make up for the fact that we didn't do any interviews. I'm gonna go to the city. I'm gonna ask fans some of the good questions, especially with the possibility of Kylian Mbappé joining the club. We will get those interviews in for this vlog. For now, I mean, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Bienvenidos de nuevo al Estadio Santiago Bernabéu. We are here today to do the interviews that I promised you yesterday. So let's just get started, yeah? That means we are here with
Alejandro.
Alejandro. How are you today? Good?
Yeah.
What do you think of the possible signing of Kylian Mbappé?
I mean, it's good because he's a good player. I like how like he plays football. But like 2 years ago or 1 year ago, I wasn't very happy because he said no to Real Madrid. But if he comes this year, I will be happy for sure.
Do you think he's the best player in the world?
I mean, yeah, right now, yeah, because he's young, he played very good. So yeah, I think so.
After what he did in the World Cup final, I think there's no better player than him. But do you think he'll be able to play with Vinicius? Because you know they kind of play in the same position. We lost Benzema this year. We need to replace such a big figure. We're missing a striker. Do you think he could play in the striker position?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
The trio in the front is gonna be good.
Scary, right?
Yeah, very.
Yeah?
Good luck for the defenders. Because, Vinicius, Mbappe, and Rodrigo, I think a good trio.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
How do you think Real Madrid are going to do this season? If Mbappé comes?
I think they're gonna be very good because they have Bellingham, they have the Turkey guy, they have new good players, very good. Joselu, for example, we saw the
Chilena he scored in the preseason?
yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, I think they're gonna.
Yeah?
They're gonna take this.
What do you think we're going to win? Do you think we're going to win everything if Mbappé comes?
Yeah, if Mbappe comes, yes, for sure.
Yeah? Alright, appreciate it.
Thank you.
Estamos aquí con
Sergio Ramos.
Sergio Ramos, qué crack, qué crack. A ver, Sergio, ¿qué te parece el fichaje de Kylian Mbappé este año?
Pues estaría bien que venga porque es rápido como Vinicius y dos atacantes que están buenos. Haría bien que marcara los goles.
¿Sí? ¿Y tú sí crees que él puede jugar con Vinicius?
Sí.
Sabiendo que ellos juegan en la misma posición más o menos.
Sí. Mbappé estaría en el medio
Sí.
o en el otro lado, no sé.
¿Y te gusta el fichaje de Bellingham?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Sí? ¿Crees que va a encajar muy bien?
Sí, yo creo.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Y cómo crees que va a jugar el Real Madrid este año si llega Mbappé? ¿Qué crees que van a ganar?
La Champions.
¿La Champions? Sergio, muchas gracias. Remins, on est ici avec
Daniel Ramos.
Daniel Ramos. Que penses-tu de Kylian Mbappé qui pourra être joueur du Real Madrid cette année?
Alors, pour moi, c'est le meilleur joueur du monde actuellement. Donc, ça serait bien s'il vient au Real Madrid qui puisse accomplir son rêve d'enfant.
Et ça t'a embêté ce qu'il a décidé l'année dernière de rester au PSG?
Ah ouais, j'étais un peu fâché au début. J'étais un peu triste, mais c'est le foot.
Oui, c'est le foot. C'est un joueur qui est trop bon pour qu'il puisse pas jouer au Real Madrid.
S'il veut gagner des titres et puis avoir un ballon d'or, il faut qu'il vienne au Real Madrid.
Et tu crois qu'il va pouvoir jouer bien avec Vinicius?
Les grands joueurs savent jouer ensemble quand il faut, donc je pense qu'ils vont trouver le moyen de jouer ensemble.
Et tu crois que le Real Madrid il va pouvoir gagner la Champions League cette année?
J'espère.
Oui.
Encore la 15e, ça serait super. Puis on viendra voir les soutenir quoi qu'ils fassent.
Merci Daniel.
De rien.
Remins, we are here with
Akash, Prasad.
guys. What do you think of the potential arrival of Kylian Mbappé to the club?
I think the club is going to be more confident about the players. Like when Mbappé is in the team, I think they'll be more confident.
I think Mbappé will be playing a good role in his position, so I think it would be a good contribution to him.
Like he can be a good mentor for the players as well. Like he's a good player, so if he's in the team, like people will play will be more confident for him.
So the thing is, Kylian Mbappé tends to play in the same position as Vinicius. Do you think that's going to be an issue for Real Madrid?
Oh, no, I don't think so. It will be an issue. I think he can adjust anywhere in the team.
He can also play striker.
Yeah. I think it won't be a problem like if he plays at the striker.
Yeah.
So it's like good for Real Madrid. It will be a crazy season if he signs for Real Madrid. Yeah, definitely.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Very excited.
You live here in Madrid?
No, we live in Dublin.
Yeah?
We live in
We came
Dublin.
to-
How long are you here for?
Just one day. We just
one
came
day?
here for the tour.
We just came for the stadium
Oh,
for
cool,
the tour.
cool.
Yeah.
Have you done the tour yet?
No, this is the first time.
No?
This is the
We are
first
very
time.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited. For
Yeah?
it. Yeah.
It's a shame you didn't get to see the stadium all done. That means you have to come back.
Yeah, I have to come back. Yeah. So
Let's
the
come back
stadium
again.
will be like from next year. I think so. But we'll come back again for Real Madrid.
I bet.
Yeah.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
A ver, Mario, ¿qué te parece la llegada de Kylian Mbappé?
Oh, lo máximo.
¿Crees que encajaría bien con Vinicius?
Ya Vinicius lo conocemos,
Sí, sí.
pero lo tenemos que probar ahora a Mbappé. Mbappé es un buen jugador, pero en Francia. Tenemos que verlo aquí en Madrid.
Y después de lo que hizo en la Copa del Mundo, ¿no te parece que acá en España va a encajar?
Es muy bueno, como te digo, en su selección en Francia. Es muy bueno, pero el juego de Madrid es diferente a los demás equipos.
Hay mucha presión acá, ¿no?
Sí, exactamente. Puede ser un buen jugador y si no lo eres, fuera. Ya han pasado varios, han pasado varios.
¿Y si crees que va a llegar o no?
Mira, eso de que si va a llegar o no va a llegar, eso ya no tiene de hace tiempo. Todo depende de él, no del money. Porque date cuenta que en el Madrid ganan más títulos que en otros equipos.
Sí, claro.
No lo sabes.
Gracias, Mario.
Gracias a ti, amigo.
What it means. Got some good responses today. I feel like most people are excited about Mbappe's arrival. I think they are pretty pissed off about what happened last year, but we're gonna let bygones be bygones because Kylian Mbappé is the best player in the world. What he did at the World Cup final last year is the most I am him performance I've ever seen. Probably anyone's ever seen. El Madridismo está esperando a Mbappé. Madrid fans are excited for his arrival. I think it is only a matter of days for Mbappé to be officially announced as a Real Madrid player. As of today is July 28, 2023. Yesterday was the day that Kylian Mbappé rejected the most lucrative sports contract of all time. 770 million over the course of 1 year to join the Saudi Arabia club. Guys, if he rejected the money, he's not staying at PSG because PSG have made it clear that he's not going to be leaving for free. There's only one club he wants to sign for, Real Madrid. Give it a couple of days and we'll be back. We'll be back here for the presentación. Un abrazo. That means